करते हो, राइट, बट दैट ऑल इज योर पर्सनैलिटी. अब उससे जो आवाज़ आई थी ना, दैट्स योर पर्सनैलिटी, दैट्स माई पर्सनैलिटी, कि मैंने इस तरीके से पानी पिया कि आवाज़ कर रहा है. जब माँ चाय पीते तो आवाज़ें करते, कुछ लोग ज़्यादा ही आवाज़ें करते हैं, राइट. तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, इफ़ यू थिंक, अभी आप लोगों ने बोला कि आपको सुनाई नहीं दी, लेकिन मुझे पता था कि इट वॉज लाउड एनफ कि एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे जो बैठा था उसको सुनाई दिया होगा, क्योंकि सब शांत थे. अगर आपको ये समझ आ जाए कि इस पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन ने किसी का अटेंशन मेरी तरफ खींचा है, यू गोना रन, यू सिटिंग लाइक दिस, you got to say sorry. You have to be apologetic. अगर आपको ये लगता है कि आपके किसी भी रिएक्शन की वजह से किसी दूसरे बंदे का अटेंशन आपकी तरफ आया है, you got to be sorry. You have to be sorry. Okay? Yeah? Good? All right. तो मिलते हैं फिर. Once again, thank you so much for having me. It was a nice discussion. You guys are superbly amazing. I like the fact, the interest level that you guys all have. And Balram, you have a good personality, yeah? Don't be worried about it. And your girlfriend would definitely come back. All right. I'm giving you 5 minutes, and she will never come. She will. Okay. I'm giving you 5 minutes before the feedback वाला 5 minute. वो वाला 5 minute मैं आपको तब दूंगा when I'll be out. अभी 5 minute दे रहा हूँ. If you have any question for me, go on. Think any question you wanna ask.
I want to ask one more question. If you're connecting with anyone, if you're eye contact, then I should see in the middle of the eye.
Okay, so that comes with the eye contact session, but I'll definitely answer this. Whenever you are having a discussion with someone, ठीक है, तो it's definitely not possible कि मैं आमिर से भी अगर बात करूँ while we are चड्डी buddies तो मैं उनकी तरफ देखते ही रहूँ. That's not possible, right? तो आप you got to look at here and there. लेकिन जब मैंने पर्सनल इंटरव्यू लिया था तो मैंने फीडबैक दिया था सभी को कि don't look here and there. और जब आप here and there you're not looking, तो you cannot stare someone, right? So make sure your eye contact is breaking every 10 seconds, and if you're not comfortable breaking it every 10 seconds, as you rightly said, look at person's forehead. When you're talking, if I'm talking to you, right, I'm looking at you, and if it becomes 10 seconds, अब मैं time नहीं calculate कर रहा कि 10 seconds हो गए, but if it becomes uncomfortable situation कि staring वाली situation आ जाती, just look at midpoint or look at forehead. But don't look at Ritik when you're talking to Balram. Be in that diameter only. ठीक है? Don't cross that diameter of Balram's face. So that's a very important thing to do when you have eye contact with anyone. ठीक है? Clear? Did I answer your question?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else you want to ask?
सर जब कोई कम्युनिकेशन लंबा से चल रहा होता है तो हम एक तरफ देखते रहे तो वहीं गर्दन में पैर होने लगता है. मतलब सभी को लगता होगा आई थिंक. तो देन व्हाट आई शुड डू?
Yeah, you should definitely move your neck. It's fine, but when you're moving your neck, don't move like yawning करते हुए something like this. No, वो चीज ये शो कर देता कि आप थक गए हो सुन के. नहीं, when you are moving your neck to feel relaxed, right, or to feel better, make sure कि आपका नोडिंग हो रहा हो while you're listening someone. ठीक है? अगर let's say I'm looking at you, ठीक है, and I'm tired of looking at you and you're talking, अगर मैं अपनी नेक को थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करूंगा तो I relax like this, something like this. नोडिंग हो रही है, not like this, not like this. This shows कि मैं थक गया हूं तुम्हारी बात सुन के. ठीक है? सो वो रिएक्शन नहीं जाना चाहिए, दैट नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन नहीं जाना चाहिए. यू गेट? दैट्स ऑल्सो नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. Yes, sir.
What I create
I'm sorry.
a smile on my face because when I am speaking on the GD, sir often telling me that I have too much stress on my face.
Yes, I'll tell you what happens. If you say good morning, sir, I don't need to reply good morning. If you say hello, I don't need to reply hi. I'll simply like this. That's how you can answer. Just smile on your face and you answered it. राइट? जब आप जीडी, whenever we denote or demonstrate smile, we demonstrate smile like this, right? Have a smile on your face. So make sure ये जो आपका ऊपर वाला lip है ना, goes like this with the support of lower lip. Yeah, just a smile. And I'll tell you what happens with you. That used to happen with me. जब आप GD में होते हो and if you have a stressful face, that means you're thinking a lot. Yes, you're thinking a lot. Don't think, and it comes with the capacity. कि आप thinking, you are thinking and you are smiling, it comes with the capacity. But if you don't have that capacity of doing multitasking, then you got to stop thinking. You need to stop thinking. And then have a smile on your face. Something like that. Don't, not like this. No, that doesn't work, right? Smile can be given by your eyes as well. But वो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा. That's a long session. Okay. वो कह रहा है, हर्ष कह रहा है सर आंखों से कैसे स्माइल देते मुझे पता है. Okay. Any other question?
सर आप सिखाते क्या, मतलब कम्युनिकेशन वो करते जो ये हम लोग सिखाए यही सिखाते हैं क्या?
It's a very lower level. मतलब होता है ना, there are levels, है ना? So this is a very, not lower, I'm sorry for using that word because that's a negative word, basic level. This is very basic of basic. So what I teach, this is basic of basic. Okay. Sir, I asked them to give the feedback, huh? And I want to see all those checks. Okay.
You got the scripts.